Okay, let's go to Genuine Pizzeria for a second. So table reservation. So basically, table reservation is not table management. So when you have a point of sale system or a reservation system inside your restaurant, or use Open Table and are paying for that service, that'll also manage capacity at your tables too. So you know which tables are being used and which tables are not being used. In a lot of cases, from a reservation perspective, that doesn't work too well because you still have to manage people who are staying at a table too long. Maybe they change the configuration of the tables because they have larger groups. It becomes complicated. So what this does is it does kind of what the ordering does for the kitchen and the staff. It just makes it more efficient. So the table reservations come in on the same tablet as the orders, but they still have to be able to fulfill that reservation. So it replaces a phone call basically, right? And simplifies it from a consumer perspective. So the way you set it up is you just basically turn it on, and then you can specify parameters around the table reservation, like a minimum top size, what the maximum number of people that you have that you will take a reservation for. So in a lot of cases they'll say, well, I want at least 4 people, and I'm only going to take reservations for up to 6 because if it's too big, I want them to call the restaurant. How long will you keep the reservation? And then how long in advance of them fulfilling the reservations does it have to be? In this case, at least 30 minutes. Most reservations come in day before, 5 days before. Valentine's reservations come in 2 weeks before. And you can say how many days in advance you accept the reservation. So let's say 14. And that's basically all you do. There's another feature you can utilize too, which is order ahead, which says when I place the table reservation, it will actually ask me to place an order too. So the example here is somebody places a table reservation for 7 o'clock and they order their appetizers ahead of time so they show up on the table when they're there. That's good for a restaurant because in a restaurant it's all about turns. How fast and how many turns can you have your tables in a night? That's how you generate more revenue with your existing footprint. Get them in and out. And that's basically it. Inside your opening hours, you can set the table reservation times. So maybe you say, you know what, I only take reservations at my restaurant from 6 to 8 p.m. Meaning you can't place a reservation outside those hours. So you can set that as well. And here, in this case here, I don't take reservations on Friday or Saturday. Why? Well, because I'm pretty full those days. So I don't want to encourage people to make reservations. That's the configuration. So let's use it. So it shows up as a button, or we create a button for it. So now I set the parameters: minimum of 4 people, maximum of 8 people. Oh, did I say 7 people? Anyway, so 4 people. I said 6. Okay, so 4 people. Oh, I did say 6. Yeah, so 4 people. Specify a date. So I can go out 8 days. That's how I specified it. So say I can't book it, you see, on Friday or Saturday, so I'll book it on Sunday. Your time, I said you can only book it from after 6 till 8, and there must be another opening time of the restaurant why it's doing that. I'll check it in a second. But you say 7 p.m., place the order, comments embedded, say, can I bring my dog? And you basically place the order. But I also set up order ahead. So it'll say, do you want to order ahead to have the food ready when you arrive? So in this case, I'll say, yes, I do. And then it'll bring up the menu. I'll say, I want to order ahead the spicy buffalo sliders and the calamari. And then I would place the order. And that's it. And it'll be placed. And it comes in the same tablet. I don't think my tablet is currently active. Not only is it not active, it's also out of battery. Oh, no, it's not. It's out of battery. And then it comes in the same tablet. Actually, I'll see if I can show it on the screen as well for you. You can see what it looks like. And throw questions away as soon as you got them. I'll take them while I do this.
That's nice that they can order ahead of time. That's really cool.
It is good if it helps the restaurant too. Now, again, because everything is shut right now, it's not something I would be pushing heavily at this point in time. But as things start to open again, having some, it's back to the value proposition, right? The value proposition for the platform is No commissions, no credit card fees. You get control of your marketing. You get control of your ordering, right? But it's also, you're making your business more efficient. The phone call is the worst thing to happen to a business when they're busy, whether it's for an online order or whether it's for a table reservation, because it just takes people out of what they're doing. So, okay. Right. And then if they are using a third party, like Yelp reservations or an open table, they'll get more of the table management, which comes with its own issues, but they could be paying anywhere from $1 per seating. La Forneretta does 170, did 170 seatings a month. So that would be basically 172 bucks or $2 a seating, 340 bucks. And then the open table comes with a monthly fee. So there's cost to it if they wanted to employ a system to do the table reservation. This comes included for nothing additional.